Hi everyone. So today I'm gonna show you the updates that I made on the machine, thanks to some requests on the GitHub page, comments on YouTube, and also Reddit. I'm still using the same M audio pedal. Sometimes I put the band here on the back to return to 0, but I think I like to having something that I can just put my feet on and kind of support it all the time. So if I want to just rest, I just put my ankle here and then it would just press the pedal. So the potentiometers are still the same. We have the frequency on the first one, the duty cycle, which means how much time it will, what's the percentage of time that it will be turned on, and the third one, that is the voltage. The voltage is always a fraction of your power supply. So if you have a 19 volts power supply, you will get 18 volts on the board because you have some diodes and some things that change the voltage inside. And so if you crank all the way up to 100%, you will send 18 volts to your handpiece. Okay? But this only works for the two modes here. I will show you all the modes and why it doesn't work on the second mode. So the first mode, that is the default, you will see the symbol turning on, is to change the frequency based on the first one. Okay? So what will happen is if I set this, the frequency goes from 0, which is actually not 0 for the code, up to the maximum, that is 70 hertz. So if you are halfway there, it will go from 0 to around 35 hertz from the pedal. So the pedal is what is defining the frequency on the handpiece. Okay? I think we can reduce if you want to. You can look on the code and it will go from almost nothing to all the way up. And there are no steps here and it runs every time, and you can also change the frequency while you're still working. Okay, this handpiece can withstand the 70 hertz. And then we have the second one. The second one is replaces the third knob here with the pedal. So, but you still keep the duty cycle, okay? So if I have you have a frequency defined, you click on the second button. Now it is on the second mode. So the power comes when you press the pedal. So if I press the pedal a bit, you will hear just the hum of the handpiece here. And when you increase it, it will change the voltage on the handpiece with the pedal. So it's like the power is coming from the pedal. The duty cycle still works, and also the frequency still works. So you can change it. What I would advise for you to get the modes is you get in the first mode, you get the maximum frequency that you want. Then you change the power with the duty cycle. And then what you will see is if your potentiometer is rated to 12 volts, you have to look into the data sheet. You go for the voltage on the between the 10% and the 50% duty cycle. So if we take the data sheet as an example, we have these nominal voltages. So taking 9.1 volts as the nominal voltage, between 10% and 50%, the voltage will be 18 volts. So then this is a way that you can choose the voltage. So you choose it, you press, and then you select it the duty cycle, the time that you hear that it stops vibrating. So I don't have to go all the way down, all the way up, because it will just create heat. It's giving all the power here. I don't need to change it. The second one, it's the same thing. It will maintain. And the third one is just a bit of pulses according to the frequency here. So you press the button, you press the pedal, and turns on and off. Okay, I was able to make some 1.5 millimeter stones here in the ring. I was able to put 2 millimeter stones on the ring all the way around, and also make some side-by-side pave setting. So the machine is capable of doing. I made only these two with this machine. I had made some of these already. I made like at least 20, so I know that it's capable of doing it. Thank you for the people that put the comments on GitHub, send questions on Reddit, and also the ones that commented on YouTube. And if you have any doubts, please don't be shy and comment on the video. Give a like if you liked it, and also dislike if you disliked it. It's not for everyone, but I wish a great morning, day, or evening for all of you. Thank you.